Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Miss Nikmatun Ayah, as a MSI AKT as a lecturer in the final project methodology course, and my dear friends, I want to introduce myself. My name is Hitsmar Skiana Putri from class AK3F with student ID number 3.41.19.5.22. Here, I want to present my final project proposal with the title Analysis of Taxpayer Compliance based on Realization of Income Received Article 25 at KPPX. The content of this presentation include 1. Number 1, background. Number 2, formulation of the problem. Number 3, research objectives and benefit. Number 4, literature review. Number 5, research method. Number 6, writing system. The first material is the background. Indonesia is an archipelagic country that has a wide area, many people, and has a variety of ethnic, cultural, religious diversity and trends. In accordance with one of the statements of the opening of the fourth paragraph of the 1945 Constitution, namely realizing social justice for all the people of Indonesia, one of the efforts that can be done is with equitable distribution of development and national infrastructure. One of the sources of state revenue to realize of equitable distribution of development and infrastructure comes from tax. According to Law Number 16 of 2009 concerning general provision and tax procedure, tax is a mandatory contribution to the state owned by an individual or entity that is coercive under the law without receiving direct compensation and is used for the state's purpose for the maximum amount of time. People's prosperity. This means that the Indonesian people are required to actively participate in paying tax in order to increase state revenues. In an effort to increase revenue, tax are a potential source of revenue for a country. Taxation is not only the responsibility of the government, but the responsibility of the Indonesian people. To support state revenues in the field of taxation, the public must comply with tax obligation in terms of reporting and paying tax. This means that this optimization is focused on the awareness of the taxpayer themselves in order to achieve the realization of revenue in accordance with the expected target. One of the tax levies imposed on taxpayer is income tax or PPH. According to Law Number 36 of 2008 concerning income tax or PPH is a tax imposed on individuals on entities based on the amount of income received for 1 year. In order to realize a natural, fair, and sustainable taxation system, the government has made a number of changes and improvements to the income tax or PPH rules. The new rules regarding income tax in the Tax Regulation Harmonization Bill or HPP have been ratified with an increase in the low's 5% income tax rate or PPH from IDR 50 billion to IDR 60 billion. This provides the benefit of lower tax payment for low and middle income earners. In addition, the government also changed the tariff to 35% and add a layer of taxable income or PKP above 5 billion. This is intended to improve justice in society. With this relief, taxpayers should actively participate in reporting and paying tax so that state revenue remain optimal, so that the sustainability of country can be fulfilled properly. Based on the background of the problem that has been described, the research is interested in conducting a study of how taxpayers comply with the reporting and payment of Article 25 PPH at KPPX. Therefore, the importance of this research is to prove taxpayer compliance with the realization of Income Tax Article 25. The second material is formulation of the problem. Based on the background that has been described previously, the following conclusion can be drawn. Number 1, how is the realization of Income Tax Article 25 at KPPX in 20XX to 20XX? B, or number 2, how is the development of taxable entrepreneurs or PKP in KPPX in 20XX to 20XX? Number 3, how is the progress of reporting the annual income tax return at KPPX in 20XX to 20XX? The third material is research objective and benefit. The objective of this final project include, number 1, to find out the realization of Income Tax Article 25 at KPPX in 20XX to 20XX. Number 2, to find out the development of taxable entrepreneurs or PKP at KPPX in 20XX to 20XX. Number 3, to find out the progress of reporting the annual income tax return at KPPX in 20XX to 20XX. The benefit obtained from this final project research include, number 1, provide additional knowledge and insight regarding the imposition of income tax or PPH, especially PPH Article 25, so the researchers can compare the theoretical knowledge gained during lecture with the practice directly at KPPX. Number 2, provide information to readers, especially the Semarang State Polytechnic academic community regarding the progress of Article 25 income tax receipt at KPPX. Number 3 can be used as input in formulating policies and further action related to income tax or PPH receipt, especially Article 25 PPH. The fourth material is literature review. The first is tax, the second is income tax, the third is income tax or PPH Article 25, and the last one is taxpayer compliance. On text contents, tax definition, tax characteristic, tax function, tax law division, and types of taxes, and procedure for collection of taxes. Next, on income tax contents, definition of income tax subject, income tax object, type of income tax, and number 3, income tax or PPH Article 25 contains legal basic for Article 25 income tax, calculation of income tax Article 25, Article 25 income tax payment deadline, advance and disadvance of Article 25 income tax payment, section 4 late payment of Article 25 income tax. And finally, on taxpayer compliance contains the definition of taxpayer compliance, requirement to become a taxpayer, and taxpayer determination process. The fifth material is research method. This material contains the data classification, data collection method, and final project research method. Data classification is grouped into 3, data by type, data by nature, and data by source. On data by type, according to Stapri, the data by type are classified into counting data and measurement data. Data by nature, according to Stapri, the classification of data according to its nature is divided into quantitative data and qualitative data. Number 3, data by source. According to Wardianta, the data according to the source are classified into primary data and secondary data. Next, data collection method. The data collection method used in this final project research are interview, observation, and documentation. And the last one is final project research method. In this study, the research method used a descriptive method with a quantitative approach. The sixth material is writing system. In order to be able to know and facilitate the preparation of this final project, a research systematic is briefly arranged as follows. Chapter 1, Preliminary. Chapter 1 explains the background of the problem, the formulation of the problem, the objective and benefits of the research, and the systematic of the discussion. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Chapter 2 explains the theories related to research, namely text, income tax or paper Article 25, and taxpayer compliance. The theory of tax include the definition of tax, the characteristic of the tax, the function of the tax, the division of tax law, the types of taxes, and the procedure of collecting tax. The theory of income tax include the meaning of income tax, subject of income tax, object of income tax, and type of income tax. The theory of income tax or PPh Article 25 includes the legal basic for PPh Article 25, calculating of PPh Article 25, deadline for payment of PPh Article 25, advance and disadvance of PPh Article 25, as well as section for late payment of PPh Article 25. Theory regarding taxpayer compliance includes the notion of taxpayer compliance requirement to become a compliance taxpayer and the process of determining a compliance taxpayer. Chapter 3, Research Method. Chapter 3 explains the classification of data according to its type, nature, and source, data collection method, and final project research method. Chapter 4, Research and Discussion. Chapter 4 explains the general description of the company, research result, and discussion of taxpayer compliance based on the realization of Income Tax Article 25 at KPPX. Chapter 5, Closing. Chapter 5 explains the conclusion of the research result and suggestion. That's all the presentation that I can convey. Sorry if there are mistakes in word. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.